Mary asked about how to decide when she's looking at all the oils, how to decide which oils to buy. My bottom line here is that you need at least two different oils. One is a high heat oil. And if you did not see my post yesterday actually, about coconut oil is like blowing up this week because USA Today posted this scathing article saying that coconut oil is going to kill you. And then all these other people said, no, coconut oil is going to save you. And we're fighting to the death, right? So my opinion, like anything, is moderation. If you have about a tablespoon or less of coconut oil per day, it can be very healthy. We do not have to stay away from saturated fats altogether. Coconut oil is antimicrobial. MCT fats, which are in coconut oil, are really good for you, but there's too much of a good thing. And if you're not balancing out those saturated fats with vegetables, it can cause issues. Here's my point of all this. You need a high heat cooking oil. Coconut oil is one, avocado oil is another, grapeseed oil is another. You need one of these so that any time that you're going to saute something and it's going to get really hot, or you're going to roast something in the oven and it's going to get really hot, you use the high heat oil. Then you need another oil that you're going to use for low heat or no heat cooking. So extra virgin olive oil is great to drizzle over salads, but it's not so good if you're going to be cooking something at really high heat because it oxidizes. Extra virgin olive oil is probably the easiest to find, but you could also do any number of other oils. Walnut oil tastes really good. Hemp seed oil has a unique, different taste. I like avocado oil, even though it can be used at high heat. I like it over salads too. So if you only wanted to have one oil in your kitchen, I would probably have it be avocado oil. The only issue with that is that it's kind of expensive, but it tastes really, really great. So high heat oil and regular oil. And then for the regular oils, anything that's refined, so anything that says extra virgin, it's better to have it in a dark container. Extra virgin olive oil oxidizes very quickly if exposed to heat, which is why we don't use it for high heat cooking. But sunlight is a form of heat, and having a dark bottle can really help protect it from oxidization. So if it's sitting by the window in your house, that's probably not the best place to put it. But even if it were, and it were in a dark bottle, it's a little bit better.